get it.
I can't do this!
Okay. Ah! I know what I'm doing.
I'm sorry, like either way is fine. Like sounds.
Ah! It just sucks because it's so long. Oh,
You're getting better at it. Sing loud. She loves it.
thanks, Rachel. Oh my god. Farther apart. Yeah. Ah! Oh my god. Ah! I just. So annoying.
We hired a psycho.
You didn't hire crap.
That would be for paying her.
Yeah.
You better pay her, Rachel. We volunteered a psycho.
Cool. But oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill myself. Okay, let's do it again.